Hi, my name is David. Before IT Online Learning, I studied computer science at uni. The reason why I decided to pursue more studying was due to the fact that I couldn't land an IT role due to my lack of experience. But thankfully, I was able to come across IT Online Learning, and they pretty much changed the game in my career. Now I'm a Service Desk Analyst. Now I've been working in the IT industry now for 3 years and few months. Day-to-day task is taking calls from clients, dealing with tickets, and also going on site, going to the client's office.
10 to 15 minutes away from our house. Voila, this is us. So this is what my office looks like to start with. This is the kitchen. It's the end of the day, so everybody is packing up. This is our main office. This is where we work. This is my desk. Now we're gonna head upstairs. Yeah, this is where the projects team work. These are the stations. This is our meeting room, and this is a server that we're currently testing. And that's about it.
Would I recommend IT Online Learning? Absolutely. They've been very helpful. They also make sure that you're being monitored, and when the course is completed and when you pass all your exam, they make sure they're still with you. IT Online Learning is the ideal course to get into.